These prisoners are North Vietnamese soldiers captured in Laos, part of the 75,000 North Vietnamese who have invaded the country. About 2/3 of them operate the Ho Chi Minh Trail. The rest, including 15 regular battalions, do most of the fighting in Laos, and have ever since President Kennedy's announcement in 1961. Laos's own communist forces, called the Pathet Lao, number about 24,000. They are not the best soldiers, and without massive North Vietnamese intervention, they probably would not be much of a threat. And here we see Pathet Lao soldiers shopping in Vientiane's marketplace. Under the 1962 Geneva agreements, the Pathet Lao became part of the legal coalition government. The communist leaders soon pulled out and resumed fighting. But Laos being what it is, the Pathet Lao are permitted to do their marketing in the same capital they are trying to conquer.